Hi, Jean Lurson here. So I got tired of trying all sorts of things to prop up my paintings. I would use yogurt cups and various plastic boxes, and none of them gave me the right tilt I needed for my wet painting. So I wanted to show you what I made out of some spare cardboard. So I'm going to show you how I did this because it's so simple and you should each have one. So I cut out this cardboard. As I said, it's a little bit more than 12 inches, and I'm going to do slightly different measurements because I found that the large measurement here was too large, and depending on which way I prop the painting, it could fall over. So I've made the measurements a little smaller. So I'm going to take my T-square. So I've marked off 2.5 inches, 4 inches, and 3.5 inches. Now, what you do is you only lightly score on the lines that you made, just very lightly. Don't press too hard. That's that one. And that one. Now, this should bend without any difficulty. So basically, you first tape it off, hold it together, and tape it off all the way around. Now, I didn't do that very neatly, did I? There we are. Cut that off. Do it again on this side. This is ordinary tape from the hardware store. Now that you've done that, you want to do the top section, and I'm going to overlap it so that I can wind the tape around the back of around the inside actually. Like that. Now, let's strengthen it. Again, cut it longer. Do the other side. Like that. And you might want to strengthen some of the scored area if you ended up scoring it too much. Actually, I prefer, just on second thoughts, keeping this the same length and doing the same thing, just strengthening that join, tucking it under, same side here. And voila! I think that's going to be, yeah, a better measurement than the one I had before. So I've got this measurement, I've got that measurement which is slightly higher, and I've got this very low one. That's the lowest one. And that took me all of about 5 minutes to make. So I hope you find this useful. So let's test it out. I'm using the lowest angle, which is probably what I use most of the time. And I'm just going to do a little wet in wet quick landscape. Well, it's working pretty well, and it's pretty stable also. Quick little landscape, maybe with some trees. I love using different tools to make branches, which gives you the freedom of making nice bent and squiggly branches. To add some sepia ink. Use a little bit of granulation medium. Just want this to run this way. The granulation medium makes these lovely textures here. I just basically dip these sticks in the paint and get these squiggly branches. But there we are. So basically I was just showing you how the table easel works, and I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.